Welcome to a Vanlife Sunday at Burleigh Heads on the Gold Coast, Queensland, Australia. Enjoy.
If I was an astronaut, I'd be floating in midair, and a broken heart would just belong to someone else down there. I would be the center of my lonely universe, but I'm only human, and I'm crashing down to earth. If I was an astronaut, I'd have a bird's eye view. I'd circle around the world and keep on coming back to you.
Well, one bird's eye view needs to be on the camping prohibited and the 3-hour parking limit from 9 a.m. Welcome to a lovely Sunday morning at Burleigh Heads on the Gold Coast, Queensland, Australia. Surf's up, it's pumping at the moment. This place is absolutely buzzing.
In my floating castle, I'd rub shoulders with the stars, but I'm only human, and I'm drifting in the dark.
I arrived in the dark early morning to get a park, but they'd shortened the length of the parks at the top of the mountain, so you can't go up to the best vantage point anymore easily because the car parks have been shortened by the council. So be aware of that, but under those Norfolk pines is pretty good too. I tried my best to get the eagle view for you. Absolutely wonderful spot for walking, cycling, but you're not allowed to cycle any further than the entrance to the actual walkway, so be aware of that. But you can leave your bike there and then walk around the headland, come back. There's designated walkway. There's plenty of vantage points to watch the surfing, and yeah, plenty of places to have a picnic or whatever. Plenty of foliage too to sit under so you don't get sunburnt, because slip, slop, slap, that's a golden rule. And make sure you subscribe and like the video.
But I'd be up and thinking about what I left behind, 'cause I'm only human with the real world all on my mind. I'm up in space now, up in space now. I've searched around the universe, been down some black holes. There's nothing but space, man, and I wanna go home. Gravity keeps pulling me down. As long as you're on the ground, I'll stick around, stick around. I'll stick around. I'm up in space, up in space I've searched around the universe, been down some black holes. There's nothing but space, man. No, oh, I'm in the wrong place. Nothing but nothing but nothing but space. Nothing but nothing but nothing but space. I've searched around the universe, been down some black holes. Nothing but space, man. And I wanna go home.
Remember to subscribe and like the video. Thanks for watching. Give us a stay awesome, Chris. Stay awesome.
Stay awesome.
Oh, beautiful.
Take one.
Hey you, stay awesome. Gotta stay awesome with the van life. Hey you, stay awesome. Gotta stay awesome with the van life. Hey.
this episode, I explain how I do van life. We all do it differently.